Yo, me say, a comma asantefo binimu. As nye asantefo binimu. Mumu binimu a moye mo ho takra wegem. Mumu binimu a moye mo ho adadantoma. Mo se amanfo bi eti ma mo ka ensemfi efa asante ho. Amodi mo sika sponsor wo mo no. Saa de no mo nyae. Me ka kire mo asantefo binimu a moye mo ho takra wegem.
Ya chi no de kwato ochichi za tachman ni de ne bo wono ya ne dan eno na me busa aban ni aprosifo ne mrafo ene regional minister wo ho ena me busa ye na me si aban wonyime ne tachman wonyime baako
group of men interrupt.
Nice GA.
Me say on ensembi koso da bia ebi munnim ebi so yesa wo nkan wasem ba so wan kan wasem so a enye me kan maka ne sei wo hwe sede amanfo bi ehhehye chiri ema ye kaseti asante a asefim esibi eka asem bi wo say amanfo frefre no say anase amanfo bi frɛ no kasa nipa asem si wo hina asem si hyechi ebi ono mo mpese asante mafo nti enye wan wase yekoto aba wo National House of Chiefs na nka wo hwe sede domahene subanya wo da ne di nipa 52 anase nipa 72 domahene etimi yam 30 nipa 72 wo Ashanti anase National House of Chiefs no nipa 70 for 72 domahene etimi yam 30 why what they assume we are making like what they dream nti oma they all can me no dey atwe wo dey entie esibi nsema wo dey tudwa e wo TikTok entie no
Yo, me say, a comma asantefo binimu. As nye asantefo binimu. Mumu binimu a moye mo ho takra wegem. Mumu binimu a moye mo ho adadantoma. Mo se amanfo bi eti ma mo ka ensemfi efa asante ho. Amodi mo sika sponsor wo mo no. Saa de no mo nyae. Me ka kire mo asantefo binimu a moye mo ho takra wegem. A video we mo bia me frame me bisam say esibi na ye ho me frame me kana me say me frame mumu binimu mo se aburochire se bi mo chi a omo kan semfifa asanteman ahemfo so to the sense say efire ahemfo so kopem na se tutu otumfo tekokko so nyame kase na me bum mu ase saa de na asantefo binimu ye na mo nyae na mo ye nya atwomfo asantefo binimu me se mo ye nya atwomfo mo ye yuru firifo wo kwa kan na onye pio asante no ye den o ya have gas kura asante moje woni mu mo asantefo no binimu mo teta mo nyai saa sirem ni ebrante na wo pese wo ye wadwen se amanfo bi sese wachi na wo ye wadwen so wo be sore attack asantefo no bo ye so wo be attack asantefo no jai na ade na wo ye na enye wona asantefo siremfo na asantefo ho amana da mo yonko sebi yenye gukuma se nkra ne ho na da na yonko wo ba asante region ha ho me se utumi kofie bim abere wo di 60 70 wo yesire no da tete ha ala ntero nkoro kurum emperedo se na wo kwesire ko hu asantefo a omo ho a abere wafo gu ho ngokoda fo gu ho wo hu bi da ebi ni ho saa de na wo ye me se odo na da ye ntem no hwe ye ne mo amfa ahaw bia ma hwe ye ne mo amfa ma na ye bia ma saa siremni na wo brechira wo ye waje so atakatantefo no mperedo siremfo do se na watima boa mo ma mo firi ha etukwa kwa brechire wo nwino no ho asantefo tima bobo mo wo ni asantefo gu brechire ayemo amode ma mo ho abonofo ni abonofo gu brechire ayemo amode bobo mo ho siremfo bi ni mo tiri mo den munua pagya mo moa no munua opagya no hia mo mu no se munua we mo boa na da to betima gina babi no mo moa no mo bi ni mo subanye na wo gu abeti aburechire ho na woni waye wadwo se wo de watra border bi nje wo de wa fly into wo be ka nema enye ekira santama to the sense wo ka otumfo a wo kan basa wo kese wo nsuro ma wani na ho ne jai ma wani we na ho na wo nua na ma mo gu asantama ma doso me se omo doso ma wani we na ho na ma waso tesem ne omo se okutupa no jai ma obi a me frɛ me bi sam sɛ na saafo no firi he ma obi mo a mo send me flower wo ya kan sa TikTok and happy Christmas no flower yam fan to aduane flower yam fan ye biribi flower yam fan di Christmas happy Christmas yam fa flower ye hwe me toto flower ngum so me ye jai sa ade no data yam fa flower nto phone na de video yam fa data nto ye wone me bi wo de video sina dade yam fa data nto ensama ya kan nye data na ewu me mu flower nsem mu wade ase aduane ne madi a menye hoden a me kasa flower ni me mu tutu flower ne box bi wo TikTok ne munya saade no yo happy Christmas munyai sa brante me si jai no wan fa problem ya ma wan fa problem me ma what jai sa video we trase ne dwen ho yie pa ko kire na jai sirim asantefo do se ne wo so mo free akwa sirim so ko bobra asantefo do se ne wo so mo free akwa sirim se o mo ko bobra asantefo ne timi fa yen sirimfo na nkoa no mo de yen to abe ne ye frɛ dakamoy ni obi a wo sɔre homachi tututu eti hasuo kwa twansa no kwatete twa abe no yin safufu no no abe noa ma adane petese no asaso de akwhyere ko wo no mabro o betra se wo no wonim yansa sire sa nipa we wo betra se wo wonim yansa sire sa nipa we nipa na wo ba no kuro be so pa wo pa no wo so pa wo pa kwan so pa no de ma wo wonim yansa sire sa nipa we ha ka se wo wonim yansa wo yesi sabi I'm sorry to see that wonim yansa no mo yesi no wo asam na ka na wo dwadwe no ho kwa kire wo kwesirim kuro bi so ko hu se asantefo wo ho so pa wo pa wo kwesirim ko hu se asantefo wo ho a omodo do pa wo kwesirim ba bi ko hu se asantefo wo ho a omotehwe so wo ho ohu bi da ya yenye mo wo sirim kwa ya amfa ma kuma se ho am ne to me se saa de na wo ye no jai na wo de problem bi ba jai dwene ho ko akire wo ade na wo ye no anu na nipa bi se ma wo ska wo dwene ho ko akire na asantefo binim kura me di mum ho yaw mo bia me frem bi se na ye hwan mo bia me frem bi se mo a mo discuss sponsor sa for mo nyire mo sponsor mo nyire mo ho no mo kan se mfimfa asante ho
si bi nsɛm a wɔde tu dwa ɛwɔ TikTok ɛna wɔkɔtie yɛ no ɛkyɛ sɛ wotie ne nsɛm a wotumi sɛ biribi kɔ so ɔno ankasa so ate bi wɔde n'ani ayɛ de ɛho bi na ɛsɛ fei abusua ɛsɛ fei sɛ ahemfo ne bi bɛtumi ahyehyɛ akyiri ma yɛkasa tie asante na one day we will show them bɛbɔ mu din ɛde obi bi ato dwa mo no sɛ ɔmo yɛ mabɔfo so na metɔ nsɛm no so a nyankontɔn ɛde nsɛm bi asa bɛto dwa nyankontɔn yɛ obi a n'adwe mu dɔ yi baa na ɔka asɛm bi ɔse na obi bisa asɛm bi sɛ dɛn na ma woyɛ proud to be an Ashanti patro patro wobɛtumi de comment about comment section mu dɛn na ma woyɛ proud to be an Ashanti dɛn na ma woyɛ proud to be an Ashanti wode ka kyerɛ me dɛn na ma woyɛ proud to be an Ashanti na nyankontɔn kyerɛ nsɛm mu wode yɛmhwɛ the whole video no let's say page no.
What is it about your ancestors that makes you proud to be black? In 1991, there was a conference in France, right? At the end of the conference, the host, a Frenchman, decided to take 5 people to his house for dinner. And after dinner, he said, hey guys, what is it that makes you really proud that your ancestors left behind? That anywhere you go in the world, every corner of the world, you will see it. People have to rely on it every day. Say it without blaming anybody. Of course, the American kid was the first to say, well, listen, I'm a 23-year-old American kid. I didn't even finish high school. But you see, everywhere I go in this world with this blue passport, I'm treated like a rock star because my ancestors built a country to represent or be the beacon of freedom and equality. And they mean it. America is a country where its soldiers have gone out to die for other people. Everybody thinks of America as the place to go if you want to just blow up. The Japanese said, well, I'm from Japan. There are 196 countries on earth, and in each of them, every 5 cars, 3 are Japanese. Every hospital in the world, the equipment that has saved lives were built in Japan. Appliances in the kitchen, on and on and on. It's the most beautiful, well-organized, hard-working culture in Asia. We're not just Asians. We are very one of a kind. And that, when I travel as a Japanese, the way people treat me is because of what my ancestors have built in this world. It's what they are robbing off me. Now, if you are, since you are black, and you are the last person in the room, what would you say about your ancestors that in today's world, from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight, This is what your ancestors left behind that everybody have to rely on it just to make the day go by. What is it about your ancestors that makes you?
For me, is the Ashanti Kingdom. Ashanti or Asante. Ashanti or Ashanti Empire was one of the last greatest empires in West Africa alongside the Shanga Empire, Mali Empire, and Asian Ghana Empire. For me, it's not just about being an African, it's not just about being a Ghanaian, or it's not just about being an Ashanti. I can trace my root to the family in which our people originated. And if anybody is wondering, Bretu. I know a lot about our totem, our clan, how our people react, and a whole lot of stuff. Apart from that, too, I understand the meaning of my name, Nana Abena Nyankunton. I know I'm called Abena because I was born on a Tuesday. The Akan people of Ghana have this cultural practice whereby they name a child based on the day of the week that the child was born, and it is called day name or Kradin, which literally means soul name. So Abna is my soul name because I was born on Tuesday. Ibnada. We Ashantis are proudly known for our gold and brass craftsmanship, wood carving, furniture, and bright colored woven cloth called kente. You see, we fought the Brits for the first 2 years of the 5-year Anglo-Ashanti War, killing the British General Sir Charles Macarthy. You know, that is history. Let's put that aside. Let's talk about present-day Ashantis. You see, present-day Ghana, it is only in the Ashanti region that you find places allocated to other tribes. You know, places like Fanti, Newtown, and Luga, and all the many zongos. I know you guys can put the rest of the location in the comment section below. You will not go to any place in Ghana where you're going to find places that has been allocated to other tribes in Ghana, even not Ashantis. You see, when Accra Sports Stadium was built, the initial name for Accra Sports Stadium was supposed to be Ohinijan. Ohinijan is not an Ashanti, but he's an Akan. But you see, Accra people protested. They didn't want that. They didn't want any foreign name on their stadium, on a stadium on their land, which is okay. There is a sports stadium in Kumasi. Guess what? It is called Baba Yara. We are okay with that. You see, Ashanti says, especially Kumasi people, we love others, we tolerate others, we support others, but guess what? People sit outside and blame us for all their troubles in this world. They blame us for all the problems that the politicians are creating. They blame us for their predicament. Let's say if something should happen in Ghana today, they blame Ashantis. They blame us. We peaceful, loving people, they always blame us. They even insult our king. The same king who has given the land to those settlers who aren't Ashantis. They just insult him. Now, this and many more makes me feel proud to be an Ashanti, to be a black person, because the black image out there is not pretty. For a whole lot of black people out there, their history starts with colonization. Our history don't start with colonization. No, it doesn't. It doesn't even end with colonization. No, it doesn't. The Ashanti history, whether it is about the empire or just the region, makes me feel proud to be black. Because we are kings and queens. Asante Kotoko, Ukumapema Apembeba. Ashanti to the world.
Nyankontɔn na abɛtie na kyerɛ sɛ ɔse adeɛ baako kura sɛ ama no ɛyɛ proud ne sɛ Asante deɛ woyɛ Asanteni a you can trace your root from start to finish, even sɛ wonim maame mpo a wonya mpo wɔ kurom firi fie bɛɛ mu sɛ wɔbɛkyerɛkyerɛ wɔ ama wohu w'ase yie baabi a wofiri. Ɛno yɛ adeɛ baako yɛ na mmoahoa ɛma no yɛde ɛyɛ proud. Na mebisa wo sɛ dɛn ɛma wo nso woyɛ proud to be an Ashanti. Na mefa video wei ɛntoa so. Tachiman ɛne Bono ntɔkwa a mahyɛ aseɛ no, this is just a reminder. Na sɛ yɛwura bisa wo sɛ anaasɛ yɛwura frɛ ɔman mpanimfoɔ ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ yɛntwiw sɛ Asante ɛne Tachiman yi, ɛhɔ na wobɛhu. Ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛhu sɛ wo nokunku ɛyɛ kyɛ. Yɛtu a mmerɛ a yɛbɛkyerɛ sie sɛ mo deɛ mose mu kama no ntum na monyɛ din na da bia mpɛ sɛ moyi site wɔ a anaasɛ tribal wei a ɛto gye mo ankasa. Ɛto gye mo ankasa. Yɛnkɔtie wura asɛm a ɛyɛ 14 years ago. Yes, ɔne mpanimfoɔ hyiaeɛ na ɛberɛ a na Tachiman asɔre pɛ sɛ or misbehaving. Yekutim.
Paramount chiefs and other bodies at the Minsha Palace. Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II registered his displeasure at the behavior of the Bonafo Regional Minister, Kwejo Nyame and the Regional Police Commander, DCOP Seth Obeng.
Yɛakyee no de no kɔto ɔkyekye sɛ akyɛkyemane de no boɔ wɔno yɛayɛ ne dɛn ɛno na mebusa aban ne apolisifoɔ ne mmarafoɔ ɛne regional minister wɔ hɔ ɛna mebusa yɛ na mesi aban wɔnyeme ne kyɛkyemane wɔnyem baako.
A group of men interrupted the meeting as they stormed the palace for their Asantehene to give the order for them to go to Teshimain. They were, however, restrained. The Bonafo region has been in the news lately following clashes between the Chobodon chief and the Teshimain chief, resulting in the death of 3 people and injuries to others. The Chobodom Hene, Nanasa Rebafo II, who had remained silent since the incident, recounted the details to Otumfuo Osei-Tutu. Paramount chiefs who addressed the gathering seemed divided on the next line of action. Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II expressed dissatisfaction about the treatment meted out to the Chobodom Hene, Nanasa Rebafo, and wondered why the actions of the Techimai Hene, Oseadeyo Kumfiameyao, had not been condemned. He is asking government to make its position clear on the matter.
This is the message. And who said that you will yes. And don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. He is still the man. Yes. Yes, if you yes, if you so he is still the man. Yes, boys now this is quick reminder. This is just a reminder for you. Be careful and be watchful. Remember this is just a reminder. You was young. And then they became a source of your subscribers. All notification bell now. I won't change. Let's say my opinion. Comment section on me on it. You can be a menu. And it's who I be so I'm number the watch the watch. But that's all.